I'm just going to show you today how to um, run OBS Studio. It's quite simple, but when I initially installed the software, I there was a issue with the graphics, and so I'll show you how to change the settings. And because initially it was a blank screen here, and I wasn't seeing it wasn't working properly. So to change the settings, what you have to do, if you have similar issues, what you have to do is go to the NVIDIA control panel if you have a NVIDIA graphics card, and from here you have to go to program settings. In program settings you have to select OBS Studio here. So by default it's going to be on this one here, the high performance NVIDIA processor. So you have to change it back to integrated graphics. So once you select that, you'll then press apply, and then you'll actually have to restart the OBS Studio, and it'll start working after you do that. Also, once you get it started, probably change some of the settings here. Put to MP4. It's by default it's going to be on FLV, so make sure you change it to MP4. With regards to video resolution, I'm just going to leave it at 1280 by 720. That's because that works for me, but if it doesn't work for you guys, you can change it to whatever that suits you. And that's about it, and then you can start recording straight away after that.